This video tutorial is a step-by-step walkthrough of some typical question styles that you'll be encountering while taking a logical reasoning style psychometric test. Our goal with these logical reasoning tests is to assess one's logical and problem-solving abilities. They typically ask for use of one's inductive and deductive reasoning skills. We can notice that each box contains a series of shapes in a straight line. All look fairly consistent. There's nothing too inconsistent with the variables. The first thing that likely immediately grabs attention is the shaded shape. If we take the top left box, the shaded shape, in this case a circle, is on the far left. When we move down to the middle left box, the shaded shape is now on the far right, and back to the far left in the bottom left box. If we look at the right column, the same pattern seems to be happening there. It should now be evident to determine a pattern, namely that the shaded shape alternates from the far left and far right. This continues onto the next row. Clearly, more patterns need to be observed here. Each box appears to be made up of 3 circles, 1 square and 1 triangle. The order of these shapes is different every box. Now, if we grab hold of one shape, let's take the 1 triangle, and start in the top right box, we see the triangle at the far left position. The box below, the triangle has moved 1 space to the right, and the box below that, it's moved 1 space to the right once more. If we look at the same column of boxes and focus on the square, we can see that the same thing occurs, with the square looping back round. Thus we can say the shapes are in a sequence that moves 1 space to the right down the column. These patterns should now allow us to discover our answer. The box we need is the middle one. Therefore, the boxes above and below should help us discover the answer. The top box has its shaded shape on the right. This would mean the answer should have theirs on the left. Using the square and triangle as points of reference, all shapes move 1 place to the right. The sequence should go shaded circle, square, circle, triangle, circle. Looking at our answer options, we can see that box E fits this description. Therefore, this is our answer. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. We hope it's been helpful. Best of luck with your test practicing here at Assessment Day.